Hey guys, welcome back to the RS Fabrication channel. So I do a toolbox tour of my Snap-on TUV Storm Gray with orange trim. This is a triple bank version with the work center. Start off over in this locker here. Have all my welding stuff up top, gloves, jacket. Also a Mac charger, their orange thing. Next shelf down, it's just all my bulk socket storage, things I don't use. Down here, get snacks and random abrasives hidden under there. And this drawer here, I just have more abrasives, some larger wrenches and angle wrenches. Also new vice grips and just extras. And up in the hutch here, I have, chargers and everything. I also have my DeWalt 1/2" brushless, Mac Tools 1/2" brushless, DeWalt 3/4" brushless, then the big monster Milwaukee 1" brushless impact. Up here I have some of my Snap-on 14/4 stuff, right angle drill, new high torque ratchet. This is the polish prep tool. I'll Snap-on crack torch, 3/8 Snap-on drill, 3/8 impact, another screw gun, one of the new 14/4 COB lights, and just the regular short tube light from Snap-on. Also have just nice screwdriver set, flashlights everywhere. And the first drawer, over there I have all my ratchets, 1/2", 3/8", 1/4", millions of them. And 3 standard Snap-on sockets, and then just 3 metric and odds and end brands. Got a Mac Tools 1/4" ratchet, DeWalt 12-volt 3/8, Mac Tools 3/8 ratchet. Get some Makita impact sockets in the back, Snap-on long torques, Snap-on 1/4" sockets, and let's see, get some X 1/4" swivels and Snap-on impacts, more swivel impact sockets, and it's all different sockets. 1/2" impacts are Husky, actually. They work great. These are Mac Tools driveline sockets for big trucks, and just tons of extensions, Snap-on 1/2" chrome, and more extensions under there. Next drawer down, I have all my wrenches. I got Mac Tools standard, some ratcheting ones, Snap-on ratcheting. These are Hayco wrenches made in Germany, really nice and standard. Mac Tools and metric. Big set of Mac Tools ratcheting, Snap-on ratcheting, metric, Snap-on angle wrenches. These are ball bearings out of one of the amusement rides that we place the main bearing in. Next drawer down, I have all my pliers. I got snap ring pliers and all different nipbacks and Snap-on. Snap-on, bent nose ones, and the blue handle ones. Those are Cador, made in Germany. More nipbacks, Snap-on. These are made by NWS in Germany, really nice. Ice grips and all sorts of things. PWZs in purple, I love those things. Some automatic vice grip C-clamp thingies, they work great. And for a smaller drawer on this side, just have random promotional set from Sonic Tools, punches, air hammer bits, knives, and kind of like a random drawer. Next drawer down, this is all like measurement and stuff, so squares, precision things, and just just have, you know, part restorer kit and sorted things. So, hammers and pry bars, my DeWalt SDS right there, 20 volt. And this drawer is just more random gloves, extra welding gloves, some lifting slings and stuff. And my paperwork drawer, really messy. This is all screwdrivers. You know, the fancy gunmetal ones, really long. Some orange snap-on. Underneath that, I got Mac, some snap-on Torx, some trim clip tools, some Gador screwdrivers that are really nice. Seal, snap-on seal things, and gasket scrapers. Terminal tool set, and all different screwdrivers. And under here there's more snap-on screwdrivers. I got the flat hose picks, and just, you know, all different pick sets back there. Next drawer down, I have Master Tap and Die set, Mac Tools Master Hex Bit set. That's a Sunex Impact 1/2 inch hex bit set, really nice. Some Bondage drivers and snap-on metric hex bits, you know, Wera hex keys and stuff. Different cool stuff. Down here, I have snap-on 3/4 air gun, all my different carbide burrs and stuff. Hydraulic plugs. There's a huge Matco 1-inch ratchet there. End of a scanner for just cars and light trucks. Some snap-on files. There's more files here. There's a SPI vernier micrometer right there. And a Blue Point air belt sander. And in this case is Ingersoll Rand 3/4 deep sockets. Also, there's a set of Sunex up to 2-inch angle wrenches in here. Really heavy drawer. And over here, I keep my adjustable wrenches to an 18-inch and pipe wrench back there under the writing surface. These are all my cant twist clamps. These are really nice. Expensive, but worth it. And here I get some of my various electrical stuff. Multimeter. I have also have a Fluke 88V, then the new snap-on Bluetooth one. Snap-on scope. Have the snap-on multi-probe, and have in here is a power probe. Down here, I got all my 3/4 drive stuff up to 2.5 inches. I have one of the newer Mac Tools 3/4 drive ratchets and impact sockets and stuff. This is where I keep all my drill bits and TIG torch parts and all different screw gun bits. Sorted, you know, air tool wrenches and stuff. This is where I have all my batteries stored. So these are all DeWalt Flex Volt, and all different DeWalt 20 volts, 6 amp hour to little 2 amp hour ones. The Milwaukee ones for the 1-inch gun. Then this is my main power tool drawer. So Aircat 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch impact driver, 3/8 impact, atomic 3/8 drill. This is the DeWalt 1/2 inch, you know, mid torque. DeWalt 1/2 inch, and then another Aircat 1/2 inch. Down the bottom I have all my various air tools, like the 1 horsepower snap-on die grinders. The snap-on air hammer down there too. And final locker, I have DeWalt Flex Volt cutoff saw, you know, air grinder, heat gun. That's a box for the scope. Some impact sockets. Back there I have a snap-on bushing and seal driver kit, one of the new ones. And DeWalt brushless bandsaw, the cordless one, corded bandsaw. Down here I have most of my grinders. DeWalt brushless 4.5 inch, 5 inch. Flex volt grinder, another flex volt grinder. And also the DeWalt thin head grinder. It's a really nice one. All brushless. I have all my old faithful Metabos, 4.5, Makita one. I only use for wire wheels. 6-inch Metabo, and of course all different just abrasives I use all the time. Final drawer, got my die grinder, flex volt sawzall, a little oscillating multi-tool, 14-4 sawzall, and then the DeWalt brushless jigsaw, and all different blades and stuff for them. So yeah, that's my custom TUV, all loaded out with all the different tools I have for it. Really nice box, definitely love it. Big tires and wheels and all the tie down points make it great for when you have to move out of a job quick and to wherever. Tow truck drivers especially love it. But yeah, so that's the toolbox, and hope you liked it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more.